Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best flame torch is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your kitchen or workshop, offering precise control over heat for a myriad of tasks, from caramelizing desserts and searing meats to lighting grills and even crafting. Its ability to produce a high-intensity, focused flame makes it a go-to gadget for culinary artists and DIY enthusiasts alike, transforming everyday cooking and projects into something extraordinary with just a simple click. Number 5. Superior RX Refillable Culinary Torch Kit. Unleash your inner chef with this complete culinary torch kit. It includes everything you need to start creating delicious dishes right away. Achieve a flawless, caramelized sugar crust in seconds for the perfect creme brulee. It's also ideal for searing steaks, melting cheese, and so much more. Refueling is a breeze with our leak-proof design and included adapters. The air purge tool ensures a complete fill every time, so you can get back to cooking quickly and safely. Crafted from heavy-duty materials, this torch is built to last. The stable base and fuel gauge window provide convenience and safety during use. Designed with your safety in mind, it features a double safety lock and anti-flare technology. Enjoy peace of mind while you create culinary masterpieces. We stand behind our product with a 3-year warranty and responsive customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This culinary torch comes with everything you need to get started, including extra butane and a recipe book. It features a fuel gauge window so you're never caught off guard. If you're looking for a comprehensive and reliable kitchen torch with great support, this is the one for you. What people say. The torch has a powerful flame that is adjustable. It's great for lighting grills and campfires. The igniter works reliably every time. Number 4. Flame King YSNPQ 810 CGA Propane Torch Weed Burner. Introducing the Flame King YSNPQ 810 CGA, a powerful propane torch designed for a variety of outdoor tasks. It produces an impressive 24,000 BTU, making it ideal for burning weeds, melting ice, and lighting fires. Easily adjust the flame size with the integrated flame control valve. This feature ensures you have precise control for any job, big or small. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with its non-slip rubber handle. This design allows for extended use without fatigue. Get started quickly with the integrated self-lighting ignition. No need for matches or lighters, just press the button for an instant flame. With a long 33-inch reach, you can tackle tasks from a safe distance. It arrives fully assembled, so you can start using it right away. What we like. This torch delivers a powerful output, perfect for tackling tough outdoor tasks. Its integrated lighter makes starting up quick and easy. If you need a robust tool for weed burning, ice melting, or lighting BBQs, this propane torch is your go-to. What people say. This torch has a powerful flame that is adjustable. It is easy to use and has a comfortable grip. The torch is durable and made of high-quality materials. Number 3. Culinary Butane Torch Blow Lighter. Elevate your cooking with this versatile butane torch. Perfect for searing meats, caramelizing desserts, and adding that perfect touch to your culinary creations. This torch isn't just for the kitchen. It's also your go-to tool for DIY projects, jewelry making, soldering, and even camping adventures. Featuring a single-touch piezo ignition, it lights up instantly. Easily adjust the flame size and intensity for precise control, reaching temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it at any angle, even upside down. Select from a fine jet flame to a softer, wider flame to suit any task with its 360-degree reverse use capability. Designed with a stabilizing plate for safety and built with durable ABS and alloy materials. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling for extended use. A standard butane canister provides over 2 hours of continuous use. Refueling is quick and easy, ensuring uninterrupted operation for all your needs. What we like. This torch offers incredible versatility with its ability to be used in reverse and its adjustable flame. It's also very lightweight for comfortable handling. If you enjoy cooking, DIY projects, or camping and need a flexible and easy-to-use torch, this butane option is ideal. What people say. The torch has a powerful flame that ignites quickly and consistently. It's very easy to use with a simple one-button ignition system. The adjustable flame control allows for precise temperature regulation, perfect for various tasks. Number 2. FunOwlet Professional Culinary Butane Torch. Elevate your culinary creations with this professional chef-grade cooking torch. It's designed for precision and ease, bringing gourmet results right to your kitchen. From perfectly caramelized desserts to beautifully seared meats, this torch handles it all. Achieve a flawless finish on everything you cook. Easily control the flame size and intensity for any task. Whether you need a gentle heat or a powerful sear, it's at your fingertips. Featuring one-touch piezo ignition and a safety stabilizing plate, it's incredibly easy and safe to use. Just press to light and adjust as needed. This torch isn't just for desserts, it's perfect for barbecue, glazing, charring vegetables, and even lighting cigars. It's a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. With temperatures reaching up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers powerful performance for all your cooking needs. Experience professional results every time. Looking for a unique gift? This reliable and safe culinary torch is ideal for holidays, birthdays, and any occasion. Give the gift of gourmet cooking. What we like. Designed for professional and home cooks alike, this torch provides precise control over flame intensity. It's perfect for creating delicate caramel desserts or searing meats. If you're a foodie who values precision and ease of use in the kitchen, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This torch is very easy to use and produces a strong, consistent flame. The adjustable flame control is a great feature, allowing for precise heat application. It heats up quickly and is perfect for tasks like searing steak or lighting grills. Number 1. ThermoMaven Propane Torch Gun. Discover the power to elevate your cooking. This tool offers precise flame control, protecting your hands while you achieve perfect results with an adjustable flame and easy ignition. From searing steaks to caramelizing sugar, this versatile torch is your go-to for professional and everyday culinary needs. It's also perfect for lighting campfires or DIY projects. Reach incredible temperatures up to 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit for rapid heating. It's ideal for quickly igniting charcoal, campfires, or for tasks like glass blowing and welding. Lightweight and easy to handle, this torch is perfect for both home kitchens and outdoor adventures. Its heat-resistant design allows for safe, one-handed operation. Surprise the gourmet cook, barbecue enthusiast, or DIYer in your life with this exceptional torch. It's an ideal gift for any occasion, adding a unique touch to their toolkit. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. This culinary tool comes with a 1-year coverage, ensuring its quality and durability for all your tasks. What we like. This powerful torch reaches extremely high temperatures, making quick work of tough tasks. The extended angled nozzle and safety guard ensure safe and precise operation. If you need a high-performance torch for cooking, DIY, or even light welding, this propane torch offers maximum power and control. What people say. This torch is perfect for lighting charcoal. It has a powerful flame and is easy to use. The torch is also great for searing steaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.